Hello everyone, my name is Harshil and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel WebDev with Harshil. So this is the third tutorial related to the HTML, and today we will see the HTML document, that how it is working and what is it. So let's get started. So first of all, what is the HTML document? So the HTML document is the way to edit and create our own web pages. Means it want to say that through the HTML document we can edit on any web page or we can create our own web page. Okay, so HTML document is the reference. Okay, and through that we can create web pages. Next is that HTML document contains element called HTML elements. Okay, we will discuss these HTML elements later. Okay, so that is the HTML elements. In HTML elements we are writing our content. Okay, so whatever content we are seeing in these websites, then that contents are written inside the HTML elements. There are lots of HTML elements in the HTML. Now let's understand that what is the HTML element. So the HTML element is defined by starting tag and ending tag. Okay, so that is the start tag and end tag. Okay, let's understand its. So you can see here the example. This is the less than symbol, we can say that, and then we have the tag name, means whatever tag we have, and then greater than symbol, and then we have the our content, and then we have also less than symbol, and then we have the forward slash, and then again tag name and greater than symbol. Okay, so this is called as a HTML element, or we can say that it is a tag. Okay, so here let's say tag name is a h1, then it will call as a h1 tag. Let's say if the tag name is the HTML, then it will call as a HTML tag. Okay, like this. So this is how it works, and this is the basic syntax of that. Okay, so here the tag name means this is the starting tag, and the last one is the ending tag. Okay, and don't forget to put this forward slash. Okay, otherwise it will be not complete, right? Because we are writing the content, and the starting and ending tag must require, and between that we are writing our content. Okay, so whatever we are writing, that will be inside this starting and ending tag. There are some tags in which we doesn't require to write the end tag, right? So there are in the HTML there are some tags, right? Let's say we have the image tag, right? Means img, it doesn't require. Okay, and here I have given the example as a h1. Okay, so h1 tag, html tag, these are the tags that requires the end tag. But br or hr or image img tag, these are the tags that doesn't require the end tag. Okay, now let's see the our HTML structure. Okay, so through that we can make our own web pages. Okay, so you can see here this is the starting tag that we have seen, and it is called as a HTML tag, and here it is our closing of HTML tag. Now inside that we have the two parts, one is the head and one is the body. Okay, so here the head is starting and here head is the end. Here body is starting and body is the end. Okay, now why we require this head tag and what is mean? Okay, so head tag requires because let's say we want to edit the our website name. Okay, so whenever we are writing the www.google.com, okay, so at that time you will see there is some name on the tab. Okay, so that is comes inside this head. Okay, and let's see if we want to link some files to this HTML document, then we can do inside this head tag. Okay, so that is the thing. And you can see title tag is there, which is called page title. Okay, so page title means the tab, the name which is shown in the tab. Okay, so that is the page title, or we can say that website or web page name. Okay, so this is the head. Now then comes the body part. So inside the body part we have three tags, right? H1, P and P. So H1, this is the heading, and P is the paragraph, and this is another paragraph, means P tag. Okay, so this is the starting, ending, starting, ending, starting and ending. Okay, so whatever we will write inside the body tag, it will be printed, right? So it will be printed on the means it will become our content, right? So that is the thing. And you can see here that there is the nesting of the element, right? So you can see nesting means one inside another, one inside another, right? So this is the our HTML1, and inside that we have the another header tag, and inside that we have another the title tag, and inside the HTML we have second one body. Inside that we have H1, P tag. Okay, so that is the nesting of the elements. Okay, so that is the that can be done in the HTML, because the structure of the HTML says that the nesting of the elements is true. Okay, we can do that. So that is the nesting of the elements. Now let's understand this. Okay, so HTML and closing of HTML, that it defines the root element and the whole HTML document. Okay, we have seen that it is the root element, right? You can see it is a starting, means root, head of the our HTML document. Okay, now the next thing is the head and closing of the head tag. Okay, so it defines the heading part of any web page. Heading part means the name which will be shown in the tab. Okay, so that is the heading part. Okay, now the next is the body. So it defines the body of the HTML document, means our body means whatever content we are seeing on the website or web page, that comes inside the body tag. Okay, and the last two are H1, means it defines the heading. Okay, heading, and this heading means header tag and closing of head tag. And this heading H1 and closing of H1, these are two different tag, right? This both are not same, right? Because this is defines the our this will not come inside the our content, right? But whatever we will write inside the body, it will come, right? So what this H1 tag is? Okay, so H1 tag defines that if you want to write a head part, okay, let's say if you want to write heading, let's say WebDev with Harshil is the heading, and inside that we are writing some paragraphs, right? So this is a YouTube channel. In this we will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, like that. Okay, so this is that heading. Okay, not this type of heading. Okay, so these both are different. Okay, and the last one is the paragraph. Okay, so this is how we can create a HTML document structure. Now let's see practically. So in the previous video we have downloaded the Atom web editor and installed also. So I am in that now, and you can see this is the elementary consent. And now I will create a one file. Okay, so for that I will go to the file, and I will click on the new file. I will close this elementary consent. Now I will save this file in the my desktop. I have the folder called HTML coding, and I will say that HTML document dot html. Okay, so you can see here the dot html extension is required. If you are not doing that, then it will be not working. Okay, because dot html extension is required. Okay, so now let's save this file. You can see here this is our project, and inside that we have this HTML coding folder, and inside that we have the HTML document file. Okay, now we can close it like this, or we can open it like this. Okay, so I am opening here it now. If I click on the control and plus, then the font size will be increasing. You can see here, so the font size is increasing, control plus. Okay, it is the default, I have not changed anywhere. Okay, so that is the thing. And now I will write here. Okay, it is too big. Okay, so this is now, see, I have put at the less than symbol and it is showing me suggestions, right? You can see what tag you want to put. Okay, so that is the our atom editor. Okay, so in the every editor it will show us. Okay, that's why we are using the editor. So if I write here HTML, okay, so it will direct print me. You can see here, this is the doc type HTML, head, title, body, all this it have printed, right? So that's why we are using the HTML document. Sorry, that's why we are using editor, right? Any editor we can use. Okay, now you can see we have not seen this doc type HTML. What is it? Okay, so in the one video, in the first video I think, and in that video we have seen the major versions of the HTML, right? There is the 2.0, 4.0, and the latest version is HTML5. Okay, so to denote that the latest version of HTML5, we are writing doc type HTML. Okay, at the first. Okay, so that is showing that we have the person means we are using HTML5 version, right? So that is the thing, and other things are as same. Okay, now I will give the title here, and HTML document structure. Okay, structure, sorry. Okay, now the title is given, and then I will go to the body part and I will write here h1 tag. Okay, see, I have not written the uh, less than symbol, I have only written the h1 only, and if I press the enter, then you can see it has given me automatic start and end tag. Okay, that's why we are using the editor. Okay, so I will write here, this is heading, and then I will create the p tag, means paragraph, and this is paragraph. Here spelling mistake can be there. Okay, so avoid that please. Now I will save this file. Okay, and then I will go to the show in explorer. Okay, so I will go there, means it will open it in the file explorer. Okay, so you can see here the I am in my file folder called HTML coding, and inside that we have the HTML document. Okay, now I will double click on that, then it will be open in the Chrome browser or whatever the browser you have, which is the default. Okay, so guys, you can see here that the HTML document structure is opened in the our browser. You can see this is the our title of the web page, and this is called the tab. Okay, this is the heading which is printed, and this is the paragraph. Okay, so you can see the difference between that, and this is how the HTML document structure works. Okay, so you can see here this is the our head tag, body tag. Okay, inside the head tag we have written the title as a HTML document structure, and here also HTML document structure, it will be print here. Okay, or it will show here, right? And then we have written the h1 and p tag. Okay, and it is showing me like this. Okay, but what if we don't write this whole thing? Okay, so let's say I'm removing it. and I'm writing here only h1, and I'm writing here this is heading. Okay, so what do you think, it will be work or not? Okay, you can comment in the below, and yes, let's check it. First of all, I will save this folder, and here I will refresh, and then you can see it is working. Oh yes, it is working. Why? The HTML document structure is required, but the thing is that if we write like this, then our the structure of our coding will be not good. Okay, so let's say if you are sending this code to your any of the friend, and he will see that array yaar, what is the thing is there, right? So means there is the first h1, then p tag, and then hit tag, and then body tag. Okay, so means it is not good, the structure of that is not good. Okay, that's why we are using the HTML document default structure. Okay, and I'm removing here, and I will do the control Z. Okay, so that's so that I can get that back. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this is how it works, and if I save it and refresh here, then you can see all this comes back. Okay, so this is how we can create our HTML document, and this is the your first web page. Congratulations you to all. Okay, so and this is how the our HTML document structure works, and this is how it require, because if we don't write, then the structure will be not there, right? And if you don't write, then how it will be look? Okay, so first is the HTML, and I'm showing the heading, and then p tag, and this is paragraph. Okay, and then we have some species, and then we are writing another p tag. Okay, so means we can't define each of these. Okay, that's why we are using this HTML default document structure. Okay, I am putting here it also as it is, so that you can understand it properly, that why we are using this default structure, because whenever you get this code from the description, you also understand that why this is required. Okay, so that's why I am putting here as it is. Okay, if I save it and refresh, then you can see the thing is as it is. Okay, so guys, that's all about this video. I hope guys you understand this concept properly, and if you have any doubts inside this code or inside this PPT, then you can ask me in the comment. So guys, thank you for watching. Guys, help me to make more videos on web development by subscribing our YouTube channel. You will get the red color button below. Subscribe, click on it, and then you will get the bell icon. Click on that and set it to all. Okay, so guys, if you enjoy this video or learn something new, then guys give the hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and PPT and the code is given in the description. Okay, this PPT and this code. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.